Hey guys, if your keyboard is lagging or there is a delay when you type on your Windows 11 computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to fix this issue. So first thing we need to do is head over to our start menu by pressing the Windows key, and you can search for settings on your keyboard and then come over to the settings tab. From the left here we need to scroll all the way down to Windows Update, and you're going to go ahead and press this blue check for updates button just to ensure you're running the latest software on your device, as sometimes outdated software can cause problems with our hardware. Then come over to the accessibility tab from the left here, scroll all the way down till you find keyboard and come in here. And where it says filter keys, you want to make sure this is turned off, and then we can close out this window. And next thing you're going to do is head to your start menu and search for run. Tap on the run icon, and inside of here you need to type in control space keyboard and hit enter. And if there's still a delay on your keyboard, you need to make sure this repeat rate is turned up to the maximum, exactly as you see here on the screen. And we can press apply and OK to save those changes. And once again, if that's still not working, the next thing you can do is head to your start menu and search for CMD. Right click on command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of here you need to type in the following command, sfc space / scan now, and hit enter. And this will scan all of your core Windows system files. Just to ensure there's nothing damaged or missing, you'll need to wait for this process to get to 100%, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, the last thing we can do is head back to the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Then tap on the Device Manager tab, and inside of here come down to Keyboards to expand this list. Then right-click on your keyboard device and select Update Driver, and then press Search automatically for drivers. As you can see, I'm running the latest driver on my device, so I can come out of this window. And you can also try right-clicking this and selecting Uninstall Device. Just press Uninstall to confirm, and then to reinstall the keyboard, we come over to Action and press Scan for hardware changes. And that's it guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's fix any lag or delay that you're having with your keyboard. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.